Hello, I'm Maria Ioannidou. I'm a reader in competition law at the School of Law of Queen Mary University, and I would like to briefly talk about a specific course, competition law in the digital era, and why it's interesting, why it's relevant, and what sort of career you may choose to follow if you opt to take this course. So nowadays we live in the era, as we say, of the fourth industrial revolution. Everything is digitalized, new technologies, and of course that has transformational power. It has transformed our lives, the way we consume, the way we think, the way we act. Why is this relevant for competition law? Well, it has transformed competition law enforcement as well. As part of this course, we will be looking at this transformative potential of new technologies, and with a particular focus on artificial intelligence, algorithms, and big data. So we will be looking at anti-competitive agreements. We will be asking questions such as, can algorithms collude? Absent human interventions, how should competition authorities react to these new challenges posed by technology? We will also be looking at competition law enforcement against big digital platforms, and by big digital platforms, we refer to the usual suspects, which is the acronym being GAFAM: Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft. So we'll be looking at different competition law decisions against big platforms. We will be discussing the underlying theories of harm. We will also be discussing merger control in the digital economy, with a particular focus on the concept of killer acquisitions. It has sparked a lot of debate in competition law, and primarily it focuses and answers questions with respect to, should a powerful player acquire a company, and how competition law should scrutinize this transaction, if at all. And finally, we will cover regulatory instruments such as the Digital Markets Act, which come to complement competition law enforcement, showing in essence the limits of competition law in the digital era. Why is this relevant for you? First of all, it's a very exciting course, a very topical course. You will be looking at cutting-edge topics with respect to technologies, platforms, AI. It's really interesting. But from a career perspective as well, what you will be discussing are very topical issues if you want to practice competition law, not just within this country, within the UK or Europe, but what we will be looking at are very much transferable in other jurisdictions, since at the moment almost every major competition law jurisdiction has cases against big digital platforms. From an academic point of view, it's also interesting for those of you that have research interest in this area. And the final point, this course will be assessed through an essay, so you will be given the opportunity to develop your own ideas, your own arguments with respect to controversial, if you like, points with respect to competition law enforcement in the digital economy.